Another precaution can be that wardrobes should not be kept like steel cupboards. If there are steel cupboards in earthquake zone, they can fall when there is earthquake. Then what is the way out? They should be fixed cupboards. Shelves should be fixed in the walls. Then the chances of the cupboards falling on you are less. Another problem is that due to earthquake, sometimes there can be fire. So, the building should be fireproof. There should be fire extinguishers and all the precautions should be taken. All this can be done if you take consultation from a good architect. He will be able to incorporate all these things in your house. And if you have an apartment in a tall building, while buying, just check out whether these precautions have been taken or not taken. Now, okay, these were the precautions before the earthquake. What are the precautions when the earthquake is there? If you are inside the house, just hide yourself under the table. Many times you do it to tease your mom, or when you are playing hide and seek. So, that is what you have to do even when earthquake is there. Just hide yourself under the table, so that if there is anything that falls on the table and you are saved. And if you are in a bed and you are not able to run, then cover yourself with pillow and remain inside. If you are outside and in a car, just remain inside the car. Close the windows, roll up your windows, tightly close the doors and just remain inside. And if you are outside, then look for a clear area. Be away from the tall trees and the tall buildings. I know it's easier said than done because the panic strikes, and when the panic strikes, everybody is just running here and there and nobody is able to take the right precautions. However, if you have done some disaster management, if you have done some simulated exercises, you would exactly know what to do. These days, most of the offices and schools, they frequently practice their disaster management exercise, so that they exactly know what is to be done and panic does not strike them. In fact, whenever there is a crisis, avoid panic, because panic only makes you irrational, and as a result you are not able to take wise decisions. If you are feeling scared, like they say, just say all is well. The tremors of earthquake can be recorded with an instrument called seismograph. You know, the tremors that are produced by the earthquake are called seismic waves. Now, this instrument has a wire or a rod with which a pen is attached, and there is a roller on which the paper has been rolled. So, when the earthquake is there, those tremors are passed on to the pen also, and they keep making graph kind of thing on the paper, and by this we can study the intensity of earthquake.